Have you guys ever wanted to stay in a treehouse? I have, ever since I was a kid, and I've just rode here to the middle of nowhere in Chhattisgarh and ended up at this beautiful, beautiful treehouse hotel. And when we get to the hotel room, I'll show you around. I mean, the treehouse. I'll show you around the treehouse, and I'll tell you a bit about what I think success is. And there's kind of three parts of it: simplicity, passion, and focus. These are the three things that brought me success in life. And just look at this. We just arrived, and you're walking through the Chhattisgarh jungle. Absolutely beautiful. There was this kid who lived a few blocks away from me back in New Zealand, and his dad was a builder, and he actually had a treehouse. Seriously, a seriously built treehouse, an amazing treehouse, about 10 meters high in this tree, and I was so jealous. I always wanted to be his friend and go and check out his treehouse, but never happened. And guys, I don't do brand deals, I don't do sponsorships, okay? So this isn't a sponsored video, a paid video. In fact, I won't even mention the hotel's name. I'll just show you this incredible place I found, and I know that's annoying, so I'll give you a little hint as to where it is.
Looking back on my life to see things from another view, with reason in every memory. I see you.
Alright, come in here and check out this. It's all wood interior. It's beautiful. I've got the bed, I've got my table, got the view out to the world. There's a bunk bed here as well in case, extra people are staying. There's a water cooler over there, and there's also AC as well. And actually, this is all I need in my life to succeed. I need a bed, I need a table and chair so I can make videos for you guys, and a bathroom, which I'll show you in a minute. And I try and live as simply as possible. I believe in minimalism and, owning as few things as possible. The more you own, the more you have going on in your head, I find. So a long time ago, I started simplifying my life. I sold everything I owned, nearly, except for like the bare accessories that I really needed in my life. And it just lifts such a weight off your head. I travel really simply as well. This is the only bag I brought, seriously, and most of this is camera equipment. I just got a few pairs of clothes, and you guys will notice I always dress really simply, right? I wear like jeans and a t-shirt, usually that's me, or I'll wear Indian kurta and pants. These are the two things that simplicity in life is so freaking important. I need to focus on making videos for you guys. I need to focus on my passions in life, which are like music, computers, YouTube, and keeping people safe and allowing people to travel better here in incredible India. And living a minimalist lifestyle with very little allows me to do that. I can focus so much time just on my passions and my loves in life. I knew I needed to simplify my life, and I knew I needed to follow my passions in life. So that's exactly what I did. I moved to India. I got a very simple apartment. Very simple. In fact, water would come in when it rained. It was bare bones, and it didn't have a bed. I just had like a cart, which I was sleeping on it wasn't even a wooden cart, it was a metal cart. Terrible thing to sleep on. But all I needed was my laptop, and that's it. To power my laptop so I could write blogs and create the India survival guide. And that's all I did. I just had one suitcase, and I just sat there, I just focused. And I could focus because I didn't have, all these other things in my room to distract me. I didn't have a TV, I didn't have an Xbox, I didn't have a computer that could play video games. And I was out of home, I was out in New Zealand, and I had very few friends in India. So I had like zero distractions, and I could just focus. So I just focused on my passion, and my passion was India. I literally just sat in that apartment and focused on writing blogs and writing books until I got onto YouTube. And that's still what I do. I go home, I sit there, I edit, I write scripts, and I just focus on my passion. I've got a family now, my wife, so she's always known that about me. I love to just follow my passion and just work and help people in my life. Like the point of my life, I know what it is to help people, and that's what I do with these videos, right? So I spend like every waking minute nearly helping people. These days I play a few more video games at night, and I watch a bit more Netflix than I used to, but at the very beginning I was going hard 24 hours a day working on my book and my blog, okay? And that's how I found success, just minimalism, simplifying my life, getting rid of distractions and just following my passion for India in whatever direction it took me. And eventually it took me to India. So yeah, just focus on your passion. Okay, now into the toilet area. Beautiful basin here. Hey, the view out the window again. My God, guys. How is that? And then for washing, you have a shower, or you can use these 2 buckets. We've got a Western toilet here. Cool. I don't actually care what toilet I have. I'm fine with either an Indian or a Western. I actually prefer an Indian toilet because it's simply better for you. The pipes flow a lot better when they're aligned properly, and a squat toilet allows for the proper alignment of your pipes so you can do your business quicker and faster and easier, rather than like bending your pipes when you're sitting on a Western throne. But anyway, that's that. Chill. This is a beautiful place. I'm really happy that I'm staying in the treehouse. I wish Manisha was here right now. Let's go now and let's go and explore the rest of this property now. Alright, there's a slight detour before we get to the pool. I gotta go eat my dal and roti for lunch, and then when we get to the pool, I'll talk a little bit about money, okay? Very important subject that everybody always asks me about. The food's not bad here, so we've got like dal, and we've got like chole, roti rice, and another veg curry. And actually, I forgot to tell you the price of this place. It's 4,000 rupees a night, like around, I don't know, what's that, 70 or 80 bucks American, which includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well, so all the food. I think it's a pretty good deal for what we're getting here. I was going to talk about money at the pool, but there's some drunk guys there, so, you know, they're a bit obnoxious. So let's do it here in the forest instead. So money, if you want to make money, there's 1 or 2 things that I did. Firstly, I followed my passion, and I knew if I followed my passion and whatever service or product I produced, if it helped people and added value to people's lives, then I knew the money would come. So create something that gives value to other people and helps them in their life. And I just trusted that if I did this, that money would come to me, and I knew money wouldn't come straight away. I knew it would take time. So yeah, follow your passion, create value for other people. These are the 2 most important things in my life, and that have led to my success. And you know, this is why I was not worried about coming to India, leaving my home and coming here and taking that risk, because I knew if I just did these things, I just trusted that I would make money eventually. And if you're the kind of person who is commenting on my channel, Karl, how much money do you earn? You guys have missed the point completely. You're too busy wasting your time focusing on what other people are earning, rather than spending your time following your passion and eventually making money for yourself. Stop worrying about what other people are doing. Stop being nosy. Focus on yourself. That's what I do. I focus on myself. I focus on my work. I focus on creating videos for you guys, creating books for you guys. And I don't care what other people are doing. I don't worry about what other people are doing. I'm unique, and I make my own content which makes me happy and which I believe in. So yeah, focus on your passion, help people, and yeah, create something that you believe in and that you feel your time is worthwhile being spent on. I know I'm spending my time wisely because I'm helping other people. As long as I'm doing that, I can do this forever and not get paid a cent. I don't care. You know, as long as I'm helping people, I'm happy in my life. Money doesn't bring me happiness. Money just sits there in the bank, actually. I don't spend much money, right? I save money. So eventually one day I will open a company here in India. That's the plan. You know, save enough money to open my own company here in India. I'm not one of those guys who will go to like venture capitalists and ask for money, because that's spending other people's money to build your own company. So is it really your company? It's not. I want 100% ownership of whatever I do, and I'll pay for it with my own money. That's how I've always been in life. Save your money, spend your own money, make your own success, and and have 100% ownership of everything that you do. You know, be independent. Don't rely on venture capitalists, and don't rely on other people to fund your company and your dreams. Fund it yourself, because no one's going to fund your business anyway until you've built something from scratch and you can prove that it's going to work anyway. So yeah, the independent route is the route for me, and that'll always be the route for me, I hope. So to sum all of that up, live simply so you can focus on your passion and on your dreams. And if you're going to create a product or a service, make sure it benefits other people. Make sure it enriches other people's lives. If you're focusing on what you love and you're creating something which is helping other people, the money will come, so do not worry about the money. Keep doing what you're doing and the money will come. And this all takes a big belief in yourself. You have to believe in yourself and that you can do it. And you have to not worry about the money at the beginning. Just believe in yourself and know that you will be successful. And yeah, that's exactly what I did, and it happened to me. So yeah, now it's your turn, guys. Jai Hind.